Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome back to Code and Tech. Today is day 10 of our 100 Days, 100 Videos Challenge, teaching you essential computer skills. In today's video, we're going to cover the basics of the internet. Understanding how the internet works can help you navigate it more effectively and safely. Let's get started. First, what is the internet? The internet is a global network of interconnected computers that communicate with each other using standardized protocols. It allows us to access and share information, communicate with others, and perform various online activities. The most common way to access the internet is through a web browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. A web browser allows you to visit websites, view web pages, and interact with online content. Websites are collections of related web pages hosted on a web server and accessed via the internet. Each website has a unique address called a URL, or Uniform Resource Locator. For example, www.google.com is the URL for Google's website. To visit a website, you type its URL into the browser's address bar and press Enter. The browser sends a request to the web server hosting the site, which then sends back the web pages to be displayed on your screen. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo are tools that help you find information on the internet. By typing keywords into the search bar, you can find websites, images, videos, and other content related to your search terms. Email is another fundamental internet service. It allows you to send and receive messages and files electronically. Popular email providers include Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook. To send an email, you need the recipient's email address, a subject line, and the message body. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are websites that enable you to connect with others, share content, and participate in online communities. These platforms are a great way to stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Online security is essential when using the internet. Always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing emails and suspicious links. Keep your software and antivirus programs up to date to protect against malware. Streaming services like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify allow you to watch videos and listen to music online. These services use the internet to deliver content directly to your device, providing endless entertainment options. E-commerce websites like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy enable you to shop online. You can browse products, read reviews, and make purchases from the comfort of your home. Always ensure the website is secure before entering payment information. Understanding these internet basics can help you navigate the online world more confidently and safely.